So I've got the EcoFlow River 600. It's got 100% and X boost is turned on. So we'll go ahead and plug in the microwave and turn the AC on. Now the microwave is on, ready to go. Okay, first test, we'll try a muffin. We'll do just, I guess, 1 minute. And it's going. It's showing 450, 600. It's kind of bouncing all over the place on the watts. Right around 500 to 600 watts. And the microwave is being pretty quiet, so we'll see how well this heats a muffin in the wilderness. Yep, it's warm. Probably needs a little bit more time, but the bottom is warm, and it's, you can see it kind of got some moisture on the paper towel. Heating up the second muffin now, and just barely the EcoFlow fan kicked on for a second. Hot muffin in the wilderness. And then the fan kicked off. And heating those two muffins has brought it down to 88% battery from 100.